Hello and welcome to today's video. We just checked into Portofino. It is 2:30. We are waiting for our room to be ready. The check-in is at 4, so we decided to come and grab lunch rather than go to the parks first, see maybe if our room is ready. It's not yet. And we came to the pool bar, so there really wasn't many options to eat before 5. So we came to the pool bar. I'll show you pictures of now. Ryder had the adult pepperoni pizza. He had 2 slices, 8 slices, so we have the pizza to take back. So we have like late night stacks, which is always good. I had the farmer's market salad, I think it was. Yeah, farmer's chopped salad with grilled chicken. Phenomenal. And then Ray had the chicken Caesar wrap. I don't see it on the menu, but it was the chicken Caesar wrap. So those were the 3 items that we had. Really good. Yeah, and I guess I did my makeup at the pool, or at the table. And now we're gonna head to one of the parks because our room's still not ready. So let's go to Universal.
And then this is the pool. You got a beach bottom pool, sand bottom pool with 0 entry, a slide over there. So don't know if we'll make it to the pool this trip. It's only a 2-night trip, but really nice pool.
So we're at the boat dock waiting for the boat. They come every 15 minutes. We got here like at 2:45 and it was leaving. So, but it's a gorgeous day. It's very overcast, nice and breezy. Hoping the rain doesn't come in as soon as we get there, but we'll see. But yeah, it's nice, relaxing. Today was our day that we were switching hotels, so we weren't in a rush to get to the parks. Universal's only open till 5 because of Halloween Horror Nights. So we will be going, we'll probably go to Universal first, try and do what we can there, with the hopes that maybe a lot of people have left, and then head over to Islands of Adventure, which is open till 10. So we are inside. It is 3:35, and so we only have about an hour and a half. We're gonna do a few rides here at Universal before heading over to Islands of Adventure.
And as you can see, it's set up for Halloween Horror Nights. So a lot of people are here for Halloween Horror Nights, I think, and there's a lot of people waiting outside for Halloween Horror Nights. And there's Minion Land, the Villain Con. I guess that's the new Minion Blast. That's the new one that we haven't done. And we're obviously going against the traffic because everybody's leaving, and we're just coming. Moment of truth. We're gonna see if Ryder's tall enough for Rip Rock and Roller Coaster.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Just a little.
So it looks like he is not tall enough for Rip Rock and Roller Coaster or Velocicoaster. And I have to say I'm kind of relieved. I was fine with Rip Rocket, but I was not fine with Velocir. I'm fine with him waiting another year before he gets to ride that.
But he is tall enough for the Mummy, so that's where we're going. We have Express Pass because we're staying at Portofino, so that's where we're gonna go.
It's a pretty long line too. So Mummy was awesome. I think it's been like 12 years since we rode it. And but the only thing is now you can't get through, everything's blocked off because of Halloween Horror Nights. So we have to walk all the way around to get to, I don't know, what is it called? Harry Potter Land, whatever it is. That's where we're going.
So we're having to walk all the way back to Minions to go around because everything's closed off for directional traffic. And it's been like this at 3:30 since we walked in, and it's 4:15 now.
Okay, so my advice is that if you're coming to Universal or Islands of Adventure during Halloween Horror Nights, don't come to Universal between 3 and 5. It's chaotic. Yeah, we're gonna go do the Green Gods, I think, and then head over to Islands of Adventure, but it's chaotic. So the train to Universal or to Islands of Adventure, you have to be in line at 5. It's 4:25. However, the line is 80 minutes and the Express Pass is 40 minutes. So we're just gonna go. We were gonna skip Green Gods, but now we're gonna ride Green Gods because even if we don't make it, we're just gonna end up walking to Universal or Islands of Adventure anyway.
Okay, so we're gonna go ride Escape from Green Gods.
This is the Express Pass line. So we just got off the ride, it's 5:05, so we missed going to the train, so we're gonna have to walk to Islands of Adventure. I think we're gonna go, we just now got the text that our room is ready at 5 o'clock. So our room just got ready, check-in was at 4, but our room just got ready at 5. I think we're gonna go to Islands of Adventure, but I don't know. Its park is pretty crazy, but we'll see. So it's 5:10 and now we're walking out of the park and probably headed to the islands. And this is the difference between Disney and Universal.
Yeah.
5 o'clock, shops are closed, bathrooms are closed. You can't even pee in the park after it closes. You have to go outside.
Oh my God, and look at the queue of people for Halloween Horror Nights. And that's the crowd waiting to get into Halloween Horror Nights. It is crazy.
So we're in an Island of Adventure, and now we know why Disney is empty, because everyone's at Universal. Like, it is packed. Like, Disney hasn't been like this in a long time.
So we're headed off now to Hogsmeade, and hopefully we're gonna ride Hagrid's.
So I'm a sucker because Ryder's never seen Harry Potter, but I just bought him a $120 wand with a stand and engrave. I'm a sucker. Okay, so Hagrid's is 130 minutes, so we're gonna wait, and we're gonna go now to the other one that's here. I don't know its name, but we have the express pass, so that's what we're gonna do. And we finally made it. So we just picked up Ryder's wand. There it is. And we're gonna come back tomorrow and do all the spells, right?
Yeah, we're gonna do stones.
Yeah.
It just won't be on camera.
Okay.
Bye.
So we did Forbidden Journey. There was like a delay with the ADA. They had to shut it down. I don't know. And then we did Flight of the Hippogriff, and that was actually a longer wait. It was like a good 20 minutes in the express pass lane. So it was fast. Probably not worth it, but we got it done. Now we're gonna go ride Hagrid's, and I think that's going to be it for the day. Like, we're tired. We still haven't recovered from last night.
So wait is 120 minutes. Yep. That's gonna be our last ride.
So Hagrid's was awesome. Ryder wanted to sit in the car, and you can't pick your row, so that's something, because Ryder always likes to pick the back row. I ended up in 5 and 6. It was so awesome, but he was terrified. He was terrified. I was behind him and I was watching him. He was nervous. He liked it at the end, but yeah, I think it threw him off a little bit. So, but that's it. We're done. We're done for the night as far as rides are concerned, and yeah, we're done. So it is obviously the next day because we look refreshed. I have new makeup on, and Ryder's all
Gone.
gone. Where'd he go? He's got his wand. So we bought a wand yesterday. It's we are gonna go back today, but we're gonna wrap up for yesterday, which is this video. It was packed. It was Saturday of Labor Day weekend. It was really packed. We only did 2 rides at Universal Studios, and then we walked over to Islands of Adventure. Really, really packed to even get in. We just basically did, I guess it's Hogsmeade. So we did Hagrid's, we did Forbidden Journey, and the Flight of the Hippogriff, which actually took quite a long time, even with the express pass. So, but we got his wand, so we're gonna do some of that today. And, but yeah, you know, I think with the express pass, a lot of people say, you know, talking about Genie Plus and express pass, you know, how you can get it free with the Deluxe Resorts, but express pass at Universal is not that great when it's really busy. You know, there were times where I think with Forbidden Journey, we waited 45 minutes with the express pass. So we'll see how it is today. But that is it for this video. So if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. And the next video, Ryder will be doing a lot of spells. He's never seen, well, we actually watched a little bit of Harry Potter last night, but that's pretty much what we all know. But we're gonna try and do some spells today and see what we can ride. Bye everyone.
Bye.